It is the year 2317. There have been many new advances in technology made over the years, along with influential types of evolution, which have created a naturally enhanced human being, both physically and mentally. Due to a large increase in worldwide diversity and rampant biological warfare, these humans have generated immune systems that prevent decay and disease, saving them from the widespread outbreaks of infection and plague. Today, in the United States, 1 of every 5 people is of a different nationality, although English is the common dialect, and everyone has the same basic shade of skin color. As the result of many years of biological warfare and plague, the zombie apocalypse has been realized, and the population has been greatly depleted. In the first wave of all-out warfare, 1 of 10 people survived disease and infection. Of that number, about 3 in 10 survived the zombie hordes that tore their ranks apart. Somehow, 500 of America's strongest, most versatile people managed to survive the zombie attacks. They banded together and headed south in search of refuge. In Florida, they came across a Disney cruise ship that had previously been prepared to depart for a cruise before a violent zombie attack prevented it from taking off. Fortunately, the ship had been stocked with all the things a cruise ship provides when on a vacation, everything ranging from food and running water to books, movies, beds, and much more. The 500 survivors boarded the ship and managed to sail south as far away from America as possible. After many days with no land in sight, the survivors spotted an island in the distance, which they sailed to in the hopes of finding a place to start a new civilization. As none of the passengers aboard was a certified ship captain, they were unaware of how shallow they could take the ship, and ended up beaching it on the rocks in the shallow waters surrounding the island. This created a hole in the bottom of the ship, but other than the fact that it could no longer be used as a means of transportation, it sat upright just offshore and is still accessible to this day. The people still used the ship as a shelter until they finished building their own society, and it served as a reserve resource for goods and food. Once building was completed, the survivors decided to name the island their new home, and because they could see from their town the cruise ship that had saved their lives and the big round ears on its side, they dubbed their new haven Mickey Island.